Say good morning, everyone. I think there is no time left too much for the markets to open, just 1 minute to open. Not a big deal. So I'm going to share my screen very quickly, little bit fast. So yeah. So I think everybody can look at the screen. Market is getting a little gap down. So a few more seconds to go. I hope my voice is audible. So first 45 minutes are very important today as per TTR. So cautious move is required. So I'll be looking to buy Nifty. 19,700 calls I've taken. Small volume. Hmm, Let me see if it sustains. Specifically, some. Okay, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Just 3-4 points maximum. My risk is going to be on this. As they are literally coming down, a little bit unstable movements over there in the markets. So let's take opposite direction. So automatically everybody's intelligent, I believe. So it's expected a gap up. So it was not a gap up actually. So they're dragging down. So let's take it very specifically how we can work on this markets. So I'll share my this screen so it will not be lag too much. So I hope this is going to be a little clear. Watch out. They're dragging down. So this is a very important zone for Bank Nifty, this area. So below this, you know very well where they can drag up to here. Very important zone for Bank Nifty. So keep in mind. So simply shorting the market doesn't help us. Yeah. You can see 19,600 also puts. Mm, I'm not actually in a mood to short sell the markets first thing because actually it's like eventually unknown trap. I'll say always in the markets because one more idea I will do. Just bought again 19,700 at 93 and just going to buy hedge positions if it's required and puts. Yeah, actually it's a breakdown. 4.3 point stop losses maximum, 4 points maximum I can bear. So 19,600 puts we can go, but before that, let's see if the stop loss is going to hit. So I'll take a 87 as a stop loss. Little quick drag it was actually. It's in actually in the bottom area. So 86 will be the again area. So you can see the Bank Nifty from this range, it's in support, maximum support area. You can go to a smaller time frame. It will be little like extra good for you. Easy, not skeptical move. Hedge with 19,600 with Nifty. It's all up to you. Mm, the upper band of 19,600, uh, maybe 93, and after 93 it can go to 106. So keep in the mind and trade specifically on 19,600 puts if you have hedged your positions. So normally I don't go for hedge positions 90% of my times, but in some cases, if it's the situation demands, definitely I will thrive in. So I look for Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty 45,000. We go to net, 45,500 calls and 45,500 puts. Check it out. Stock is trading at 40, like 100 points premium. So that is excess of premium and calls. So there is a hint that either they want to rapidly go up or puts will raise very fast. So I will do 45,500 puts taking here. Taken little high price. It's fine. Reason to take is based on premium. Only based on premium I've taken. The risk is going to be 10 to 15 points maximum. Reason of 45,500 is trading in a base. So puts are trading at discounted price. So that was one hint that I'm going to take on that. So automatically stop loss 85. If you hedge the positions in Nifty 19,700, 85 is the stop losses. So puts will raise, so it will cover up your profits. If it's covering up, take care. So quickly 20, 25 points up in puts and 45,500 puts. I'll book 50%. 284, 285. It's trading. I'm happy with that. Move. I think a little bit more I want. I'll get more, I think. So easily 300 plus can be achieved. That is my basic formulated calculations. Reason is it's trading at discounted price. That's one reason still I'm in holding on puts on 50%. So you can book more. I think I'll book more over here. 20% more I actually reduced it. Rest of the volume cost to cost as there is a volatility in the markets. So if this breaks down 310, it may shoot up to 400. So that is one point of view. It's just completely based on premium match because 4500 was trading at high premium. So obviously it should be extra premium inputs. So rest of the volumes we can trail a stop loss to cost plus profit. Cost plus 10 points profit. I'm going to trail my stop loss because 65 is going to be the very important zone. Very important zone. If you say in longer time frames and all, it's very brutal. So next support 45,200. If it comes to 45,200, automatically this will raise to 400 easily. So basic maths calculation. Nifty, I'm not too much interested. 85 has taken a stop losses over there in calls. So put side, if you have hedged, automatically it's a profitable trade. +300 307. I told you 310 they want to break on 45,500 puts. Only then we can see higher scalability. So trail your stop loss more tight. Here 280 I'm going to trail my stop loss on 45,500 puts. Bank Nifty lot size has reduced. It was actually very helpful. I'll say, yeah, if stop loss hits, nothing to rebuy anything specifically. I'm telling you today. Reason is, uh, based on TTR, anything can happen in the markets. Sudden spikes, swipes, anything can happen. So it's all untested points in the upper side. Uh, it's all untested points. So they may go on retest also. We don't know when they're going to retest. In a minute also they can retest. In a day also they can retest. In a week they can retest. Or in a month they can retest. It's none of my business. So trail your stop loss maximum as per your comfort. That's it. So that's the reason I told you 310 is very, very important. So tighten your stop losses now. So call side, I'm looking up, but I'm not so happy. I hope you Nifty you could have taken care of it. Uh, your pressures. So please take care about your trades, specifically on all the sides of the market conditions. Non-recommendable for and Fin Nifty. If you are trading on Fin Nifty, take care about Fin Nifty also. All the bottom out areas. Melting will be faster. Above 310, it can spike up very quickly. So that is my calculation. 350, it can spike up above 310. Want to check it out. Actually, I'm trading on my terminal, other terminals. So I think they will do it. 90% chances are there. Reason number one is premium. Only based on premium. Any Jadu wants to happen, trail your stop loss to 285 this time because they are not dropping very fast. I'm just going to trail it. Wow, 315. Wait, have some patience. Let's see. 347 is next target. 322, 324. Why Nifty? Actually, I told very clearly the stop losses because below that there was no support zone. Targets were there very big. So 95 was 93, 95 was the range. Then they have done and above ranges also have given. So maximum. But compared to Bank Nifty this time, I'm not happy with Nifty because 3x money I'm paying, it's okay. But what the return I'm getting is very huge from 368, sorry, 268 to 329. It's a good rally. So if you want, you can reduce your volumes. Little bit volumes I have reduced more because greediness is always painful. I'll tell you in life because these guys are not giving up. And I told you first 45 minutes is very, very important today. Anything they can do, anything. Forget about all these patterns, gittons, breakouts, everything. They are the most dangerous people on this planet. So they are called operators. They just screw your happiness. So trail your stop loss maximum to 285, 290, whatever you want, you can trail your stop loss. I'm telling you, it's very important range. Very, 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 very important range. They want to sustain. Guys are supporting. These guys are supporting. And specifically, I will tell you, it may be a trap market. It's not a bear market. I will tell you, it may be a good profit booking or something, or they want to accumulate other side of the markets. Yesterday, if you have seen my Twitter, so automatically I told you guys very clearly what's the ideology of it very clearly. Stop loss to The same 280 itself is the maximum area which is its living. But easily I wanted 400 by now, but it has taken long time. 400 is my target, but it's okay. I'll try my stop loss maximum to now 300, because actual valuation itself is already 100 plus. So 200 is going to be the sticking point. They may hit your stop losses and they may buy also. That's all up to them. None of my business. Trail your stop loss as per your comfort. I will not recommend anything or anything. I won't suggest anything. You can book out also because very good numbers you got it. Market flexibility is very important in the market uncertain conditions. Example. Yeah. It's all about what you want. You can take your risk further, whatever the volumes. I told that's the reason maximum I booked at 320 also. You saw that points. Reason is so to understanding the market breathe is very important. Simply short selling, everybody is selling, even I will sell. That is not an art of trading. So 80% if you are offload at 20% volumes, you can consume it or you can TSL. I'll tell you, trail your stop loss is also an option. So intelligence is important in markets. So simply settings are every day I'll make $1 million. It's not an option. When opportunity knocks your door, just enter. If you see the puts all why Nifty I left and switched on to Bank Nifty, you want to very quick because opportunity mila tha. Example, what's the valuation of calls and puts when I calculated? Obviously, calls were having higher valuations than puts. Automatically, the puts will raise because today is Friday. Every day you don't get this opportunity. Some days you get. When you get, you want to make it rock. That's it. Personally, I tell that means I do that. I don't bother about why I'm not touching these two guys. Are these are lazy fellows today? I felt so because of the premium. There is no hybrid switchover on the premiums. Mm, calls as high premium. If you're done with an opportunity things, so you want to, it's still 305. Why it's trading there? Understand that when market even lifts up, also it's not dropping like drastically. Reason is because of the valuation of it, right? Nifty तो मसला दूसरा है because see the Nifty, see this area very strong. So they broke down and then swap it. Yeah, it was 95.75. I hope many of them booked already the profits and commented. That's a great deal. Actually, a great deal. Common sense is very fastly you want to act in the market. If you don't have that, see, you put 1 lakh, 1 crore indicators also, $1 million, billion-dollar indicator also. It's not going to help you in trading. Common sense, fast activity, calculative mind. You want to be rapid fire in calculating your maths. You should be very good in maths. Very good in maths. Mathematics is very important. Oh, I forgot to share DTR elements today. My team. Done. Share कर दिया. I'm done with that. So sorry for that. Mhm. I missed it out. How I missed it out, I don't know. This is very easiest one because calculation, simple, nothing. Technicals are next. Calculation is first. So technically, they are coming down. It's okay. What if they swipe it back? Right, right. So not every day will be the same day. So they're not giving up. 329 is the high. They're not giving up. So want to be extra careful over here today. Mm-hmm. 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 I think in sometimes market may reverse completely. They may reverse completely. So be very cautious. So that time actually, Bank Nifty calls will not give money. Nifty calls will give money because of the premium ads on it. So why I'm back of Nifty is because I know something which you didn't identify. Market is not bearish mode, guys. Market is not in bearish mode. It's just a correction mode. That's it. Bearish means ultra bearish. That's an all big story. But all depends upon when is the first. First is on Tuesday. Till Tuesday they have time. How many of you booked your profits? TSL तो हो गया है ना. Automatically TSL is done. 300 TSL is already over. You don't need to fight again with the market. That is my personal suggestion. If your TSL to 280 or something, then it's all up to you. What you want, it's your cup of tea. I didn't tell one thing. That's the reason because Nifty, I gave you a hint. I took it. Reason is somewhere I wanted something which didn't happen pre-market. So obviously, it's an opportunity to for me to make some extra money on it. Because my risk का टॉफी 3-4 points का risk है खत्म टाटा बाय बाय. See, that's all up to you. Bank Nifty, my job is done. खेल ही खत्म है पूरा. Excuse me. I'm not giving up the premium in calls. I wanted a complete swing back till first swing is here. First thing they want to test 19,300. Sorry, it's 19,730. This area they want to retest upper band, and after that they're all untested points. So they may test that also. I'm not bearish on the market, so that's the reason. You got an opportunity, we traded. Katam. Uh, Nifty, based on my view, anything if you're is there, let's see. 300 में निकाल दिया ना उसका क्या है. That's very good part of you. Very good, awesome, awesome यार. रिस्क क्यों लेना है मार्केट में. रिस्क लेना है, प्रॉफिट ऑफ ये रिस्क लेना है, भाग जाना है, खत्म. Everybody will be sitting on puts, calls will rise, then everybody will short. मार्केट माहौल लड़ा दिया, मीम्स बनाते हैं, ट्रोल बनाते हैं, उससे पैसा नहीं बनते, बस खत्म. So when it's touching this point also, so then when I'm not looking here, very upside, very up. सेंसेक्स में कोई ट्रेड कर रहे तो लेट मी नो। सेंसेक्स 66,000। इसमें वॉल्यूम ही नहीं है, 10 लाख वॉल्यूम लेकर मैं क्या करूंगा। 66,300 कॉल्स। लिमिट ऑर्डर ही डालना पड़ेगा, मैं ले लिया। एक ट्राई मारे के, टेंशन क्या है उसमें। लॉट साइज भी कम है, अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट भी दे सकता है। Who knows? 10 पॉइंट स्टॉप लॉस में छोटा छोटा वॉल्यूम, वी कैन ट्राई। दैट्स नॉट अ बैड डील व्हेन मार्केट इज अपलिफ्टिंग समवेयर। Bank Nifty calls also, we can look at it. Thing is, we don't know how much it's going to do up. 941. Hmm. Very cautious, cautious, cautious. कौन है भाई? Screenshot share किया. Thank you. I'm not asking all these things, guys. It was just a dry run I want to do today. Let's see how much market is going to be overwhelming to do this with us. Oh, 477, that's okay. But the 50 points conversation, I think. 50 पॉइंट और भी प्रीमियम मिसमैच है भाई, दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम। I don't know how they are going to compensate this 50 points. I think yesterday's 50 points compensation is this 66,300 calls on Sensex. So, which I've entered, which stay trading on same prices. 3-4 पॉइंट्स का रेंज है, टॉफी टॉफी है रेंजेस। ओ ये क्या माहौल है। I'll take it in another screen. हम्म, वो लोग निकाल भी दिया स्टॉप लॉसेस। खत्म, टाटा, गुड बाय। Discomfort is only regarding the premiums. Be very cautious because yesterday also based on premiums they did all the faltu things. So based on that little bit, I am not okay with them. So that's the only reason. Little bit not like uh, what to say, expiry date. So today I don't want to mess it up with them. So let's see. Sensex is not our territory, guys. Still, because volume nahi hai. Let we give 6 months to it. Let the volume come in and then we'll trade. Like Fin Nifty, it took 1 year to get the volumes, 1.5 year to get the volumes. So done. So how many have you done for the day? Uh, Still, puts are not like bad. Seriously, I'm looking at it and just smiling on it. Oh my god, and the premium is very good, very fantastic. I think they may give a come down to 63, 263. If they come down to 263, little bit extra bonus on it. If we buy here, our risk will be a little high. So based on that, I'm not 280 ranges now, not easy. So they are coming down. That's good for them. I like it. They want to go up. Market wants to rise up. Markets want to rise up. How they are going to balance it? I'm just thinking. The 20 points odd is fine. 20, 25 points, they will manage it. But the valuation of this is like 25 plus 25, 50 points. That is bad valuation. So any 75 ranges, any accumulators on puts, take care on it. We'll buy more. If they swung back, it may go to 400 or they will hunt a stop loss. There is only two options. 300 plus 303. They are very having a very strong attitude. Uh, they have some good support of 200 DMA in Bank Nifty. So little cautious also required over here. Simply you can't dump everything at this moment. I'm not interested, but still premiums are making me to fly here. कोई ना तो कोई ऑर्डर डालो यार. बड़ा ऑपरेटर कोई ऑर्डर डाला तो समझ में आ जाएगा ये बंदे क्या कर रहे हैं. वेरी ट्रिकी ऑपरेटर्स. निफ्टी में भी फिबोनाची रेंज है. Uh, I'm going to take one trade, which is going to be opposite of the markets. Based on TTR, 5,500 calls, trading at 317.18. I've just taken it, small volumes, very thin volumes. I have traded at 400 and, sorry, 320 rupees, 4,500 calls, 320 I have taken. My risk is going to be just let's scalp it out. required. Okay, 330 plus plus. It's a very fast one. I'm getting the 10 points odd here. It may go on test 350, 550 also. They may go on test 550. But how much points I'm going to get over here? That's a $1 billion question. 338, 336, 338. Let me get 60% and 60% taken out. So rest of the volumes, what I do is, let me put it back in a different way. 45,550, they can test it, but how much money I'm going to get in this, it's actually a tugger's job. 375, I can hit it up. My risk is going to be 10 points on it. So from 320 to 333, I have booked 60%. So it's 1:1 itself, approximately. So if I get like 20 points extra, that's a donut. Otherwise, let me put my stop loss now. Let me modify my stop loss. 340 plus plus. 344 plus plus. It's purely based on DTR, guys. See, that's how you play the card. So 330, 344, 322, 20 points odd we are getting. So let me book out 20, 10 to 15% more here. 340 have dumped 20% more. 30% I'm holding. So 70% out. Morning पैसा क्यों छोड़ना 952. I'm going to take the stop loss as just 5 points for rest of the volumes, or I'll put it to cost 320. Where it can land up to 325, it can swing back down also. Oh, tug day, very tug day. I'll put it to 320 itself, rest of the volume. Cost to cost, rest of the volumes. Rest of the volumes are kept to cost to cost. I don't want to give any money to markets. No, no, no. Why no Nifty? Little less risky, but timing में थोड़ा कम पैसा मिल रहा है. Just 5-6 points maximum I've gotten 19,700 calls. So if I square off now also, it's a waste of time. Like for 5 points, I spent like 20 minutes in the market. It doesn't make a decency in profits. If you remember what I told you guys actually on the low, how much it can come down. So 258 is the low of 45,500 puts. So 260 was our area, was my band. So a little bit extra there come down. It means that 255 will be the band range now for it. $10 points, I think they can do. Not so happy with them at this moment of time, this point of time. And Nifty, don't short Nifty at this point of time. I'm telling you, I'm not going to short. Sorry, so I'm not suggesting anyone. So I hope you have read all the disclaimers very cautiously. 344. It's trading. How much it can travel, guys? How much it can? Come on, guys, finish it off. If they hit 355 and this hits 370, that's okay. 30 points or 20-point discount in the premium. That's okay. So don't short Nifty is my game. Now I'm getting the 10 points odd after investing the time of 25 minutes odd, 20 minutes odd. So 100 plus, that's good. Me swap some volumes. Nifty is okay. 120 plus 123 they can reach. I think so. They may reach in Nifty 19700 calls. I'm not sure. So very slight volume. I have kept it on there because 45,500 has given a quick money. The risk was there, same the 10 points risk. So here the reward is more comparative to that. Them come down actually a little bit. That's going to be good for us. Mm, if these guys little bit come down, also it's good for us. How much they came down? Uh, 330. Let them come down. I'm wishing on 45 500 calls. If they come down to 330, that's going to be good. Mhm. I can take one more volume there. Yeah, the 70% what I booked, I can buy that 40% volumes add on there. So with limited risk. As the rest of the volumes are kept as cost to cost stop losses. 25 will be the modified stop loss on 45 500 for the rest of the volumes. Mhm. Mhm. Very tug attitude with the market. Very, very tug attitude. Let them come down. Mhm. 129.75 is the there is a huge weakness in the markets. First thing I'll tell you, there is some huge weakness, like profit booking or what they want to do, let them do whatever the consolidation processes. So one cycle the correction they have done it means recent high they have done. Recently, I have posted on Twitter. If you have checked it, the top I had told you guys very clearly what's that game on, right? See, 325 they came down. If your TSL has hit, well and good for rest of the volumes. Just checking down, do I want to add on this trade or not? Mm, small volume I had at 330 ranges, 328 it has been added. Because overall the complete stop loss is going to be like 7 points for rest of volumes. So when you're making in opposite 25 points odd, so 7 points odd losing is not a like heavy product for us. I feel that. So little bit hard range, I tell you. Hard range. I'll tell you, it's a hard range. Opposite traders, if you're trading on any ranges based on I told you, so 255 ranges on 4500 puts, please take care about your positions. That is one piece of advice I like to tell. If you are doing paper trade also, it's all depend upon you and your risk. So please take care. We'll wind up in next 10 minutes maximum this live trading session. Classes who have enrolled for classes for MAT 1, technical classes completely, and premium classes, you can stay tuned. I'll share the new link to you. Very dark range. Very dark range. Interesting one. This situation and condition, you can go for a hedge. Like you can hedge that 4500 puts directly. Example, I'm telling you. You don't want to risk any money over here. In case of emergency. So that's your plan should be. Or fixed stop losses like 7 points, 8 points, whatever XYZ numbers. Take a stop loss and walk away. That's it. Yeah, that's okay. Fine. The hit has stop losses, that's okay. Fine. No rebuying. No, no, no. Done is done. Their emotions, sentiments are done. I'm still just blinking and seeing that puts how they are going to match it in the market. That is the biggest question today. Biggest question. I'll do a thing based on supports on Nifty. I'll take a Nifty trade. Last trade of my day. Stop loss is going to be max 3 points. Going to buy Nifty calls and I'm going to buy Bank Nifty puts. That's going to be a good hedge. Uh, that's actually a beautiful hedge. Let's see who is going to give how much. Nifty calls have limited stop losses. If you don't take a stop loss in 4500 calls, example, rebuying at 228 also, that extra volumes also. If you don't take that 7 points, you'll be screwed up. No averaging business. Averaging business is not this business. Averaging business is totally different kind of work. Uh, and TTR students who are listening to the commentary, please look on TTR things. Big opportunity also for you guys. Take care about it very well. The time has closed. till the time zone is completed. Don't underestimate any product or category of any substances in the market. Stick to the rules, stick to the stop losses, stick to the rules, stick to the stop losses till the last minute of the completion of TTR cycles. Never underestimate TTR. Never underestimate TTR, because in the just have experienced personally, in just last 3 minutes market has traveled 300 points in my life. Last 1 minute, only 1 minute is enough to change the complete game for operators. See, in some, I'm not telling 100 times. In 100 times it may be like, let's take 50-50, but still that 50% is huge. So no averaging business, stick to your stop losses, work on premium mass calculation. Strictly premium mass calculation should be followed without fail. uh let's just below 11 and 45 500 puts. Check all the mat 2.0 students, 1.0 students. Please check the old students. Please check the technicals, technical chart, zero the technical chart. I hope you get a 99.9% idea how, why, what, and easy money. The risk is toppy, 5 to 7 points, maximum 10 points risk. Upper band is up to 400 on 45 500 puts. 400 and plus is the upper band limit on 45 500 puts. So please take care. Next level of Nifty is this. Below this, we'll see this. Let's see. See, that's the thing I tell you, right? Never underestimate any time zones, any momentums, anything till the cycle is completed. Let me take time. Don't be in a hurry. Push yourself. Don't think one trade miss हो गया पूरा जिंदगी मिस हो गया वैसा नहीं है. If time you will be in trading, you will be confused, right? We made even money in calls. That is one plus point. We took TSL. That's the first point. You're not taken any SLs over here. Ah, even puts also, why we squared off and tried a stop loss of 300. I told you they'll come to 365, so 265 ranges, right? So we should know that which range they can come, why they will come, what's the valuation. If they come, how much money you're going to make. Mazama. Anybody taken any trades also at this point of time, put it to cost, even all the paper trading members or any self-trading accomplished members, I'm going to put all my TSL to cost. I've done. High frequency traders with hybrid volumes. Anybody there? If you want bots to fire the orders, I can help you out with that. You can fire up to 1.5 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs volume in single trade. Only high frequency. No 1000, 2000, 5000 वैसा नहीं है. Minimum 1.5 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs limit zone है. TTR. TTR becomes a failure, then आपको पता है क्या होगा. I hope TTR students know that now. Cost, everything we had kept on that. Puts 310. That's not bad. Actually good. So extra 23, 24 points we are getting now. In case if you placed a limit order and accomplished in 265 ranges, students, and with the risk upon your own, in case I'm telling you, not required, can exit your positions 10, 15 हो रहे. So I think you can chill, and you know what's going to happen after TTR thing. So TSL accumulation, consolidation phases, or trailing your stop loss till whatever the target you have kept, the next targets, you can do it on it. If it's not your cup of tea, you can end your terminals, you can close your terminals, say goodbye to markets. Don't get into trap. They'll trap you. They will trap you. They will trap you. Excuse me. Be very cautious. Very, very cautious. Specifically today. 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay, guys. So please take care about your positions further. So I told you, I given an idea. So what can happen, what not can happen. So further till first half will be like uh, it may be every dip they may buy inputs in case they go up also. In case I'm telling you, not required that 100% they want to do. So higher ranges is there already. I kept it over here. So mark it down, note it down if you want. So Nifty also you can note it down. This higher ranges too much is not required. This limited ranges you can require. Above ranges already you have a markings with yourself. Done. So they may do it sideways also. They can Nifty can go back and hit this zone again, hit all the stop losses, and then they come down. Or option B hai. Option A is they can straight away come down and finish this job. Or option B hai, they can go up, finish this, touch this, fool everyone, and then come down. So you want to think like an operator. So if you think like an operator, you will work like an operator. Thank you so much for joining the session. It was a dry run. I think it's been a very, very, very long time I created the live trading session. So how many of you, can you please type on the comment box, how many of you enjoyed this live trading? So I can get an idea from tomorrow on from Monday, how can I plan it? There is a Q&A section and chat box also. Can you please type quickly? So I'll give you 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Till then, I'll just enjoy the market. I'll just check my panels. 1 second. Thank you so much, Anurag. The live trading session was like mind blowing. Hearing your voice after a long time was godly. So thank you so much. So it was so fantastic. 6% capital gains. Fantastic. That's good. Some real good trades. Thank you, sir, for profits. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir. Sir, how do you plot the charts? Chart plotting. See, there are three things in chart plotting. So, okay. Chart plotting. First of all, you want to know idea of markets, how market actually work. So, so next is how really you want to accomplish. So the combination of other thing is called TTR. So if you inject the TTR inside it, definitely it's very easy for them. So you can plot a chart very easily. And technical grounds, you want to be very, very strong in ideas like market in depth. Okay, a log aisa karega. So what's the valuation of the premiums? What's the valuation of like what's the valuation of a particular stock or an option? So that's how you plot a chart. Okay. Thank you for your guidance and timely update. Help me to understand my mistakes and sharpen my trading. Thank you, Manjunath. Thank you, Govind, for being profitable. That's really great. Made around 14,000. So thank you for your time. 14,640 exactly. Okay, that's okay. That's good. So joining your live trading and all this thing. So you can DM me in my WhatsApp. So definitely, or an Instagram, I can put you on it, or you can share your number. I can share you the info. So Santosh.